Then here you can also see that these appliances are connected in parallel circuit. These circuits we have already dealt, series and parallel connection. So here these appliances are connected in parallel circuit. What is the profit or the advantage for parallel circuit? We'll deal here. Okay. So the first advantage of connecting the appliances in parallel is that all the appliances will get similar voltage. I have told you to remember this logic, VP. In parallel connection, voltage is same. So all the appliances are getting similar voltage. Then second one, all the appliances will work independent to each other. That if one appliance is blowed off or if one appliance is not working, it will not affect the working of another appliance. So these appliances can work independent to each other. But if we are connecting some appliances in series circuit, what will be its disadvantage? First of all, you just reverse these factors, you will get the disadvantages for series circuit. If we are connecting in series circuit, then all the appliances will not get similar voltage. The voltage will be consumed here, then the remaining will pass on here, then here also the voltage will be consumed, then remaining will pass here. So there is voltage drop in each appliance. All will not get the similar voltage. One more thing, if we are connecting in series, because for series the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2 plus so many times up till Rn times. So this resistance is getting added. If the resistance will increase, the current will decrease. So therefore it is not connected in series circuit. Then the last one is, if one of the appliance blows off or if one of the appliance is not working in series circuit, the another appliance will also not work. So all these disadvantages of the series circuit are overcome by connecting all these in parallel combination. Clear? So the first section of this 9th chapter is completed.